My name is Chrislyn Randall. Today I will show you a manipulative lesson for first grade students learning addition. In this lesson, students recognize and solve problems in addition situations. The student is expected to model and create an addition problem with concrete objects and write corresponding number sentences by using pictorial models to apply this basic addition facts. The supplies needed to complete this lesson are the cookie worksheet template. This is located at the bottom of our lesson. Markers, colored pencils, crayons, and thicker markers work just as well, and a six-sided dice. First, you will pass out the cookie worksheet, the dice, and the markers. The procedures the students should follow will be to roll the dice twice. The first roll represents the first number in the number sentence. The second roll represents the second number in the number sentence. After each roll, the student will also put the amount of dots or sprinkles on the cookie. Then, they can use the sprinkles to count how many total sprinkles are on the cookie. Here is an example of how the student should fill out their worksheet. The directions say to roll the dice and then put the sprinkles on the cookie with a marker of the number of dots rolled. So, first, roll. 6. Choose a color. We're now going to put this 6 where it says roll 1. Then we need to add the 6 sprinkles to our cookie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we place the number 6 in the first spot for our addition sentence. Now we need to change colors. The other color will represent the second roll. The change of color will help the student see the two different amounts rolled on the cookie so that they do not miscount when adding the second amount of sprinkles onto the cookie. Second roll. We rolled a 4. So we now place it where it says roll 2, and now we need to add our 4 sprinkles to our cookie. 1, 2, 3, 4. After we've added our sprinkles onto our cookie, we'll then place the number in the spot in the addition sentence. To find the total, the students can count each sprinkle on the cookie to get the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or the students can use their fingers. 6 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Either way, the students find that the total of sprinkles is 10. For problem 2, it's the same way. First roll, we rolled a 6 for our first time. Take the color blue, place the first roll where it says roll 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change our colors. Our second roll is a 3. Place it where it says roll 2. Then add our sprinkles. 1, 2, 3. Our first roll was the 6. Second roll, we added 3. Now again, we can count the sprinkles onto the cookie or use our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Using our fingers, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both ways, we got our total to be 9. The same way is for problem 3. Problem 4 has our rolls given to us already. Our first roll is a 5, so we pick a color to represent the 5. We'll place the sprinkles of the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your color to represent the other sprinkles. Roll 2, it says 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, we can count the total of sprinkles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or we can use our fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Either way, again, our total for both is 11. For these higher numbers, it's more difficult to see the adding it on your fingers like the other two problems we demonstrated than it is to count each sprinkle on the cookie to receive our answer. So counting the sprinkles on the cookie works the best. Devoting more time to kids with special needs and ESL students and letting them work with partners will be a great way to modify this lesson for them. Also, having the gifted children in your class roll multiple numbers or multiple times so that they add a greater number to get a greater number will challenge them. If your students receive the same set of numbers for each problem, have them roll it again and get a different number. It doesn't matter. This lesson on addition for first grade students is now complete.